Hi, it's Ben. I'm here in Vadaview, Wyoming, and today's figure eight follow through is going to be taught to you by a special celebrity guest.
Hey, my name is Terence, and I'll be teaching you how to do the follow through after you tie your figure eight. So we have our figure eight, and we have 2 points on the harness, and then you're going to take your working end, and you're going to take it through the bottom hole and then the top hole, and you're going to pull all the way through until your figure eight touches the bottom. And this is the part where it's called the follow through. So you're just going to follow your original figure eight. So we're going to go down and make sure we pull that nice and snug, and then around, up and through, and then back down and finish it the same way that's coming through. Make sure we pull it tight, both ends. You want to make sure you have about a fist and a thumb working. And the way to double check to make sure you have it right is we're going to count our threads. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and we're through both. It's a figure eight follow through.